haven't done anything for my voice. What I can work on can be my biggest asset. I'm waiting for such opportunities where people can think about it. As an actor, if you ask any actor, I think they would love to play a villain. But it's always fun to play a villain.
I remember speaking to you last time. हमने हैदराबाद में बात की थी, and you had said that your voice has been your biggest asset. But tell me, आप सोच रहे हो उसके ऊपर वो आपने सही कहा था. I mean, what?
People think that it's a biggest asset. I don't think, because I don't understand my voice, so I don't know really. If you ask anybody, do you know your voice? The answer will be saying no. The people will tell you how your voice is. So I don't think, and I haven't done anything for my voice.
Of course,
it's
yeah.
like that. So I don't think that it's a biggest asset. What I can work on can be my biggest asset. So I think sometimes it's what I already said sometimes, that it's a disadvantage for you, because the few characters that people can't offer. That a simple guy, people think if they want to offer me a simple guy, they're pretty, I think, hesitant to offer me, because nahi yaar, his voice is like that, how he'll sound as a common man. But that's the actor's challenge, that how you do it. So I'm waiting for such opportunities where people can think about it.
What I believe, आप पहले भी you have played villainous roles.
Yeah.
Okay, Bhumi, Operation Romeo. I mean, these are the two which I really loved. There are many, but when an actor plays a villainous role, and especially in today's time, in sense like the characters have been layered. Be it you play a positive role or you play a negative role. Either they are flawed या तो कुछ तो reason होता ही है उसके पीछे. But this villain, or do you get a joy playing these kind of characters in a way? Because कहीं ना कहीं हम कहते हैं ना कि कुछ ज़्यादा कभी कभार एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए होता है या नहीं होता है. That you can tell me with this character whether it was an opportunity to explore something new or not.
Have you seen a few episodes or not yet?
No, I haven't.
You haven't. Okay.
I haven't.
So we'll come to know what layers and what backstory this guy
Okay.
has. As an actor, if you ask any actor, I think they would love to play a villain. Because it's differentiated. It's not. It's a lot of things to do in that. You can, free to do a lot of stuff which you want to do. As an actor, there's no limit to it. Obviously, there's boundaries.
Right.
In a script, but it's always fun to play a villain. And as an actor, as I said yesterday also, you have to keep on shifting from this side to that side. Otherwise, life becomes very monotonous. So
Right.
as an
Right,
actor,
that's
I always prefer to shift from here to there, and it's fun, whether it's a hero, a villain, character. My selection process is very simple. The story, the character, and what this character is doing in the story.